Hi there! If you're looking for a smartphone under 8-9,000, you must check out the newly launched Poco C65. It's perfect for your parents, for your office staff, your teenage child who needs a simple and clean smartphone experience. So let's quickly take you through an unboxing. We'll show you the device, we'll see the performance, so you can decide if the Poco C65 is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging, the regular yellow Poco box with C65 branding. Some key features are mentioned at the back, which we shall cover further. This is an 8GB RAM, 256GB storage variant. Inside the box is the phone itself, the SIM ejector pin, some basic paperwork, a USB-C cable, and a 10-watt charging adapter. I so wish that included the cover, but that's something you will have to buy separately. Let's have a quick look at the build and design. Now the frame and back are polycarbonate, but still feel very well built. This is the pastel blue color, looks really nice and subtle. Also it's matte, which I personally prefer because it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Weighing at 192 grams and super slim at just 8mm feels really nice and light to hold in the hand. It comes with a 50 megapixel dual AI camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor with flash. At the bottom is the microphone, USB-C port and a single downfiring speaker. On the top is a 3.5 headphone jack. On the side are the power volume rockers, and on the other side is the SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards and a dedicated slot of micro SD card for storage expansion. The side power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner for unlocking, and it does a pretty good job, reliable and responsive. My favorite feature has to be the fingerprint scanner gesture. Double tap to launch the calculator, you can even take screenshots or turn on the torch, so much more. You can choose from the list of functions from the settings. I so wish it had an option to custom launch an app as well. But anyway, the front screen comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection to protect it against any scratches or damage during accidental drops. Coming to the display. So it comes with a 6.74-inch LCD display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. Now even though not a full HD display, the clarity is pretty decent. You can easily read the text as well. The color reproduction is quite vibrant and punchy. Right on the top is the 5 megapixel selfie camera with a water drop notch. It comes with 90Hz refresh rate, which adds the much needed smoothness to the interface. Mostly noticeable while scrolling on a website or your favorite social media app. Watching videos and movies are pretty fun too. Goes almost edge to edge. With Widevine L1 certification, you can stream from all popular OTT apps like Netflix at full resolution. We even played 4K videos on YouTube, and it played at full 4K 60fps without any lag or stutter, which is just amazing. This is something you don't see in budget smartphones. The Poco C65 comes with a single downfiring speaker. Time for a quick demo.
On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin.
So, single speaker as I mentioned, but still, it gets loud enough and sounds pretty decent as well. It can't get better than this for this price. Also, good to have a headphone jack, it's always handy. Coming to the OS. So it's running Android 13 with MIUI 14. Now MIUI has been optimized extremely well and has tons of handy features. But the collection of pre-installed apps that are clubbed along are countless. So many games and unwanted apps. It's unbelievable. But the saving grace is at least you can delete what you don't need. So it's not a big deal. Also, Poco promises 2 years of software updates with 3 years of security patches. So you're covered there. Coming to the performance. So it's powered by the MediaTek G85 chipset. It's not a powerhouse, but it can handle all your basic tasks like WhatsApp, like email, all of your social media apps, and even casual gaming very well. Now remember, this is a 4G phone. No 5G support here. But it's a super budget smartphone, and those looking to buy a phone in this category, that's all they would need. So it's not a con. The unit we have came with 8GB RAM with support for virtual RAM expansion. But not looking at that, just with 8GB RAM, apps will launch a lot quicker, including multitasking. But lower RAM variants will definitely have slower response in comparison. We also ran some benchmarks starting with Antutu, and it scored around 2,86,000. Which is decent for a budget phone like this. We got 256GB of internal storage and storage type is eMMC 5.1. I so wish it came with UFS 2.1, and if you find all these terms confusing, the storage speed is not very fast here. but still good enough for a super budget smartphone. Now we briefly paid BGMI, and though it's not a hardcore gaming phone at all, it could handle this game pretty well. I didn't notice any lag or dock range during our testing. Yes, it did heat up a little, but still not to the extent of getting uncomfortable. The Poco C65 is pretty solid for casual gaming. Coming to the battery. So we get a 5000 mAh battery in here, which will easily last you 2 days with light to medium use. It supports 18 watt charging, but we get a 10 watt charger in the box, so it's not too fast and it will take a couple of hours to juice up. Coming to the camera. Well, here you can see some pictures taken with the 50 megapixel rear camera. And thanks to HDR support, the images have impressive dynamic range. Color reproduction is pretty good too. It's not too vibrant, but does a pretty decent job. Here are some portrait shots. Then here are some 2 megapixel macro shots, decent. Then here's the full HD 30 fps video, recorded handheld from the rear camera. It maintains good amount of detail. Then here are some pictures taken with the front 8 megapixel camera. Good skin tones, clear images. Here are some portrait shots. Excellent edge detection. Hi there! So here's a video recording from the front camera of the Poco C65. It's a handheld video, full HD 30 fps video, and I think it's quite clear with a lot of details. The audio also that you're hearing is being recorded from the mics of the phone. Alright, final thoughts. Well, firstly, we don't have the price at the time of making this video, but I'm expecting this phone to be priced somewhere between 8 or 9,000. Probably even lesser with card offers. But the important point here is, would specs matter if you're thinking to buy this budget smartphone for your parents or office staff? Not really. All you want is a good trustworthy phone that will run all your basic apps and will also provide good battery life. That's it. The Poco C65 will get the job done for you. Good performance, nice looks, and amazing battery. Just go for it. We'll mention the price, availability details, and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.